Guys, where are we going? A beach. Are you guys excited? Kinda, sorta. We're going to the beach. Okay, we made it to the beach. Yeah. All right, get some water for your buckets. Oh, I'll hold those. Okay, get your feet wet. That way the sand isn't so hot. Like my mom fanny pack. Right? At least it's Disney.
It's just floating in the air everywhere.
Come on, my douche. Look at this diva. Oh my goodness. It's like, what the hell? Okay, these kids don't do beach or water, but they always want to come here. So let's see. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look, it's barely gonna touch you. See? It's okay. Look, it's just water. You have shoes. See? She's like, nah, I'm good. You got some? Okay. There you go. Oh, princess. Come on.
Mia.
Come on.
Mia.
Look, it's okay. Here. It's warm. Give me your hand. Here, let's touch it with our feet. Come on. No, it'll just touch your feet, babe. Okay. There you go. Okay. Let's see if it comes to our feet. This is where she ended up. Literally right here in my arms because she doesn't like the beach. You don't want to go to the beach? Look at me. What'd you say? But that's all you've been asking for is the beach. Huh? I think she thinks it's like a different experience than it is. I don't know. Pretty well distant. There's like nobody next to us. We're pretty far. Hopefully these people don't set up right here. Pretty far distant. Like there's nobody, but if you look over there, oh my god, there's just like people all around each other. It's crazy. We did bring our masks, but since we're pretty distant, we felt like we're okay not to be. So hopefully people just don't come near us. Like hopefully we pretty much gave off the vibe of like we want to be away from people. So hopefully nobody try to set up around us. Oh my goodness. And then Alan and Kai are over there somewhere. Oh my goodness. They're close to us because they look like they're boats. Hopefully not. I'm trying to stay distant so we don't have to put our mask on. Look at you. Look at you. Baby. I mean, it's not too close, but it's close enough. What do you think about that? Well, maybe they were just taking a break and maybe they were just like readjusting from that. So yay! We're still very distant from people. I just became fertilizer. Who else loves Frozen 2 soundtrack? Like, the movie wasn't my favorite, but I think the soundtrack was just so much better than Frozen 1. But that's just my opinion. I love the song. Daddy and brother. Daddy got more water to make sandcastles. don't like walking on the beach with me? It's so pretty. Look. Get out! Good job! Who's on your cheek?
Woody.
And?
Woody.
And who else? Look.
Buzz. Wait, that.
What movie's that?
Party Eye.
Good job.
Mike.
And?
Bill.
And?
Sadie.
Good job. You favorite. She said, ew, I'm dirty. Because of freckles.
Anna. Isa. Yay.
What? You want to go to Disneyland? Okay, let's go.
Mom, why did you do this? Why did you do this, Mom?